A trial got off to an emotional start today for the driver accused of racing and causing a deadly crash last year in Cedar Park.
KXAN's DuPree was in the courtroom today. He reports that prosecutors and defense attorneys are arguing about who was ultimately at fault.
We cannot share any sound from inside the trial, but during their opening statement, prosecutors said that Hayden Hammer was racing with another truck, which caused a wreck that killed 2 young boys and injured a woman. The defense countered to say that yes, there had been a race, but this was only a, quote, horrible accident and not criminal behavior. The crash seriously hurt Zara Chaudhary and killed her 1-year-old son Daniel and her 7-year-old stepson Elijah. Prosecutors showed surveillance video from January 10th last year. It showed 2 trucks drive by, followed by a loud crash that happened out of frame. The boy's father traveled from Pakistan and became emotional when shown autopsy photos of his sons. He said his wife Zara could not come because she's still struggling with serious health problems from the crash. Several other drivers talked about witnessing the truck driven by Hammer race and then crash into an SUV. The defense pointed out inconsistencies with some of their previous statements. Prosecutors also showed those graphic photos taken during the boys' autopsies during the testimony from the medical examiner. That made family members cry in the courtroom, as well as one jury member get emotional. DuPree, KXAN News.
Hayden Hammer's defense team has yet to call any of its witnesses. The trial will continue in the morning. The driver police think Hammer was racing is also charged. Blake Kirkpatrick is charged with 2 counts of racing resulting in death and 1 count of racing involving serious bodily injury. A trial date for Kirkpatrick hasn't yet been set.
So what is the punishment for street racing if you're caught? If someone is seriously injured or killed as a result of racing, that is a felony. It could mean up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. You could also face a civil lawsuit. If no one is hurt, street racing is a Class B misdemeanor. You could face up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. Your driver's license is automatically suspended for at least 1 year if you are convicted of racing.